Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Next, we have aberrations of normal development and involution. The aberrations which you see in normal development and involutions, these are called as Andy classification. According to this Andy classification, these are some difficult differences which you see in normal development and involution, resulting in different abnormalities. So what are the Andys which you see in the early reproductive years? The aberrations in normal development and involution of breast in reproductive years mainly include fibroadenomas, which are seen in 15 to 25 years of age group, or nipple inversion is a disorder of development of major ducts, and this nipple inversion will actually prevent the normal protrusion of the nipple. It will prevent the normal protrusion of nipple. Next we have mammary duct. Then we have mammary duct fistula. Mammary duct fistula is also an aberration in early reproductive years. In mammary duct fistula, the nipple inversion occurs, and this nipple inversion will predispose to major duct obstruction. Nipple inversion will predispose to major duct obstruction, and this nipple inversion, and because of this major duct obstruction, there will be recurrent subareolar abscess is seen, and also this recurrent subareolar abscess may result in mammary duct fistula. So actually this is the breast, there is nipple inversion. Now because of this nipple inversion, this will cause obstruction of these ducts which are present here. Okay, now because of this duct obstruction, there is secretion, stasis of the secretions, and as a result, there is infection will occur, leading to subareolar abscess. And because of this abscess, when an abscess is formed here, because this abscess contains pus tissue and it is dense, it always tries to break off. So it will rupture, releasing the secretions to outside, and after releasing the secretions to outside, this can permanently result in formation of mammary duct fistula.
thank you and thank you for watching.